Next, match the following. These are the Roman numbers on the left side and English numbers on the right side. So we have to match them. Go back to the basics again. Roman numerals I1, V5, X10, L50, C100, D500, M1000. Look at the A1. CC plus X plus V11 means 7. So CC is 100, 100, 200, 10 and 7. 2 and 7 is the answer for A. Second one, D plus CC plus L plus 9. So D is 500, CC is 200, L is 50 and this is 9, 759. Third one, MMM plus CC plus 9. MMA is 3000, CC is 200, 100, 100 and 9, 3209. Last one, D plus CC plus 7. D is 500, CC is 200, 7.